Hi, this is Rhodes from PowerGistics. Today we're going to be going over how to assemble one of these Just-A-Stands. Step 1, you'll need 4 adjustable feet and 2 legs. First, we'll start by installing the adjustable feet. Step 2, you'll need the 2 brackets, 4 Allen bolts, and 4 lock washers to be assembled with the 7/32 Allen wrench that's provided. Next, we want to install the legs onto the Just-A-Stand upright. So we want to notice that the holes in the front are going to be where the tower will be mounted to. So we're going to recognize those as being the front, and we're going to utilize the bottom 2 holes for the legs. First, we'll want to place the long side of the bracket onto those holes there, so they meet up. And we're going to want to take that leg, we're going to use those holes there to fit right inside. Now, I also want to point out that this is the back side, will be going on the back of the tower. This will be the front side, and the feet flange out. Now we're going to put the leg onto the upright. So we line the holes up with the bracket and the frame. We have a bolt here with a lock washer on it. And we're just going to get that started in that hole a little bit. Like anything, we just start it ever so slightly and get it in the groove. And then we can hand tighten the other one, come back to the original. All the while, if you're having a little difficulty with the bolt, you can kind of play with the front and the back of the leg here to give you that straight and narrow line on there for the hole. Now we're going to tighten down the bolts. If your floor is not level, we have adjustable feet so that you can align the tower correctly. For the final step, you'll need 6 mounting screws. All of our towers use a mounting eyelet on the top and the bottom, so it's very easy to slide the tower on. Next, we mount the tower onto the Just-A-Stand. Thanks for watching and learning more about PowerGistics.